In this tutorial, friends, I will show with you step by step how to cancel your Livegood membership. So friends, wait and watch this video till the end. I will show with you exactly how to do this. So friends, if I go to refund policy on Livegood, you can guys cancel your membership, refunded be up to 7 days of data of charge. So guys, we will be refunded 100% requested with 7 days and never used, and you can get cancellation. And it's just simple, email this support Livegood membership. I want to go to the support team from here, and I write this on the subject. From the subject I write, friends, as you can see, membership cancellation request. Dear Livegood, I would like to cancel my Livegood membership and please confirm your cancellation. You should send this request to cancel membership. Write your name here, for example, my name is Adam, and write your email address or your ID here, and then you will get refunded as soon from Livegood. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.